I'm just running an experiment on my solar this afternoon. As you can see, the AC is running. It's a 1 horsepower window air conditioner. I'm just running a test to see if it will work on my solar. I've never done this before. This is my first time. That's the power cable for this air conditioner. Now it's connected to this and it's plugged in there. Now this is the cable that I have run from the solar system. That's the junction box, and this is my solar setup. Now at the moment the freezer too is running on the solar. Can you see the light is on? That's the freezer. The light is on. I've got two 200 ampere batteries, and I've got this inverter. It's a 2.5 kilowatt Starlink inverter. Now let's see what is coming in from the solar. We're currently on 24.4 volts for the batteries. So we're bringing in 26.3 amps from the solar. Just a recap on what I have got installed upstairs. I've got 5 240 watt Yingli solar panels. Again, let's check again. 26.4 amps coming in. That is it again. My 200 ampere batteries, my Starlink. This is like a 3.5 kVA inverter. See? Oh, the fan is working now. Okay, this is the first time I've actually had the fan work. The cooling fan is running. To recap again, I'm running a big freezer. This is a big chest freezer. This is a standard size chest freezer, right, that I'm running on the solar. Okay, before I leave here, let me just check the input again. 26.7 amps. Let me show you what the sun is like. It's very sunny outside. Let's check on the air conditioner again. As you can see, the AC is still running. I'm going to leave it to run for about 2 hours and I'll see what happens. Okay.